Have you ever wondered how some brands manage to create such a strong online presence and reach their target audience effectively? The secret lies in the power of content marketing. In today's digital age, content marketing has become an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals alike. But what exactly is content marketing? Well, it's a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. The goal is to attract and engage a clearly defined audience, with the ultimate aim of driving profitable customer action. Think of it like this. Traditional marketing is like a salesperson trying to sell you a product, while content marketing is like a friend recommending a product they genuinely believe in. It's not about pushing for a sale, but about creating a relationship based on trust. Content marketing allows brands to tell their story, share their values, and engage with their audience in a meaningful way. It's a way to provide value to your audience, whether it's through informative blog posts, entertaining videos, or insightful social media updates. Through content marketing, brands can position themselves as experts in their field, build a loyal following, and ultimately drive sales. The beauty of content marketing is that it's a win-win situation. Your audience gets the valuable content they crave, and in return, you get their trust and loyalty. The power of content marketing lies in its ability to build relationships and trust, to engage and educate, and to create a positive image and reputation. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, content marketing is more than just creating content. It's about understanding your audience, creating content that meets their needs, distributing it through the right channels, and constantly measuring and optimizing your efforts. So, content marketing is not just about selling products, but about providing value to your audience. And in a world where consumers are bombarded with ads and sales pitches, that's a breath of fresh air. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of content marketing in the following scenes. Before you dive into creating content, ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my content marketing strategy? This is an essential question that sets the direction for your entire campaign. The importance of having clear, measurable goals cannot be overstated. They provide a roadmap for your content creation, guiding you towards your desired outcome. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, or generating leads, your goals will shape the type of content you produce and how you distribute it. Imagine you're on a journey. Your goals are your destination, and your content marketing strategy is the vehicle that will get you there. Without a clear destination in mind, you're simply driving around aimlessly, wasting time and resources. Each goal should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Once you've defined your goals, it's time to understand who your audience is. This step is crucial in the content marketing process. It's like setting a table for a dinner party. You wouldn't serve the same food to a vegan as you would to a meat lover, right? The same goes for your content. You need to serve up what your audience wants to consume. How do you figure that out? By creating buyer personas. These are fictional representations of your ideal customers, based on real data about customer demographics and online behavior, along with educated speculation about their personal histories, motivations, and concerns. Understanding your audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior helps you to create content that is relevant to them. It's not about what you want to say, it's about what they want to hear. Knowing your audience is the key to creating content that resonates. It's like knowing your dinner guests' preferences and serving them their favorite dish. Bon appetit. Now that you know your goals and your audience, it's time to start creating content. The beauty of content marketing lies in the cornucopia of formats you can explore. From blogs to videos, infographics to podcasts, each format offers unique ways to engage and captivate your audience. But the common thread weaving through all types of content is value. The content you create must be valuable, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Let's delve a bit deeper. A blog is a great way to share detailed information and insights. It's like having a one-on-one conversation with your audience, where you can share your expertise, tell a story, or solve a problem. Videos, on the other hand, are an excellent medium for demonstrating a process, showcasing a product, or simply entertaining. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a video? Well, that's a story in motion. Infographics are the go-to format when you want to simplify complex data or concepts. They make information digestible and memorable. And podcasts? They're the perfect companion for a commute or a workout, allowing your audience to learn something new while on the go. Now, no matter what format you choose, don't forget the importance of consistency in content creation. Your audience will come to expect your content, and meeting those expectations builds trust. Consistency doesn't just mean regular postings, but also maintaining a consistent voice, style, and quality. Remember, creating content isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about churning out content for the sake of it. It's about crafting content that resonates with your audience, that adds value to their lives, and that builds a relationship between them and your brand. And here's a crucial point to note. It's not about the quantity of content you create, but the quality. It's better to have 10 stellar pieces that captivate your audience and meet their needs than 100 mediocre ones. Quality over quantity, that's the golden rule of content creation. Creating great content is just half the battle. The other half is making sure your content reaches your audience. Now we delve into the world of content promotion. This isn't just about shouting into the void and hoping for a response. It's about strategic, targeted promotion that makes your content impossible to ignore. Let's begin with social media promotion. It's a powerful tool in your arsenal, enabling you to reach millions of potential viewers. But remember, each platform has its own unique audience and language. Tailor your promotional content to fit the platform's vibe. On Instagram, engage with stunning visuals. On Twitter, charm with your wit. On LinkedIn, connect with professionalism and insight. Next, let's talk about email marketing. It's a direct line to your audience that allows for a personalization and segmentation. You can tailor your content to meet the needs and preferences of different segments of your audience. And remember, the key to successful email marketing is value. Provide value in every email, and your audience will be eager to engage with your content. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is another crucial strategy. Optimize your content with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and title tags. This will help your content rank higher in search engine results, increasing its visibility to your audience. But remember, SEO is not just about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about creating content that is informative, engaging, and valuable to your audience. Influencer collaborations can also be a great way to promote your content. Influencers have built-in audiences who trust their recommendations. By collaborating with influencers in your niche, you can tap into their audience and extend the reach of your content. Each of these strategies has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best approach is often a combination of all four. Experiment with different strategies, analyze the results, and adjust your approach as necessary. Remember, the best content is the content that is seen. And with these promotion strategies, you can ensure that your content not only sees the light of day, but also shines brightly for all to see. Last, but definitely not least, measure the performance of your content. This is where the rubber meets the road in content marketing. Understanding the impact of your content is as important as creating and promoting it. So how can you do that? By tracking key metrics such as website traffic, social media engagement, and lead generation. These metrics serve as a mirror, reflecting the effectiveness of your content strategy. They show you what's resonating with your audience, what's driving them to take action, and importantly, what's not. But here's the key. Don't just measure, optimize. Use these insights to fine-tune your strategy. Perhaps a certain type of content is generating more engagement, or a specific topic is driving more traffic. Whatever the findings, adjust your approach accordingly. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. In the world of content marketing, there's always room for improvement. So, are you ready to start your content marketing journey? Let's quickly jog our memory. We began by defining our goals, setting clear, achievable targets that align with our business objectives. We then moved on to knowing our audience, understanding their interests, needs, and challenges to create content that resonates with them. Next, we discussed how to create valuable content. Remember, quality always trumps quantity. Your content should provide value, solve a problem, or answer a question. Then we explored ways to promote our content. Utilize social media, email newsletters, SEO, and even collaborations to get your content in front of the right eyes. Lastly, we emphasized the importance of measuring and optimizing your strategy. Use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Optimize your strategy based on these insights to improve future performance. Remember, content marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Take one step at a time and you'll see results.